Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I wanted to show you a simple project that you can do at home and play in the backyard with the kids while we're all staying and sheltering in place. I made mine from some scrap wood I had from a deck renovation, but you can probably find stuff around your shop that'll work just fine. At the end of the video I'll have instructions on how to play. Let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching. To play Kubb, you'll need 10 pawns, 1 king, 6 batons, and a rope to mark out your playing field.
You're going weezer on that one, okay? Interesting. It is interesting, right? Like, it's like if you had said to me, who do I think the final four would have been? And I love Easter and I love July talk.
This is how we play Kubb. There are many variations to the rules, and you can check them out all online. But this is how we play. Each team lines up 5 pawns along their baseline at regular intervals, and the king is placed in the exact center of the square. The playing field we use is about a 20 by 20 foot square. Players stand on opposite sides of the square on their own baseline. Batons are always thrown vertically, never horizontally. First, you start by selecting one player from each team to throw their baton towards the king. The player who lands their baton closest to the king goes first. Players take turns throwing their batons at the opposing player's pawns. If they succeed in knocking over a pawn, at the end of that turn, those pawns that were knocked over are thrown to the other player's side to become defenders. If any of the pawns land outside of the field of play, they're considered out of bounds. If a player throws a pawn out of bounds, the opposing team may place it anywhere on their side of the field, as long as it's a minimum of 1 baton length from the king. Now on the next turn, players must throw at the defenders that are not on the back line first. Once all those defenders are knocked over, then they can attack the defenders on the back line. This continues, going back and forth. Any defenders that are knocked over become defenders on the other side, until finally one side has no defenders and their opposition can attack the king. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Ontario Lakeside.